I rescued him, but Oh, who are you and where am I?
I asked myself the same thing on the day the Slither sisters cursed me and my crab brethren with consciousness.
I have questions.
That's all consciousness is. An endless march of questions for which there are no answers. How can you stand to live like this?
Well, you know, you just...
It was a rhetorical question. All we want, is to return to a blissful life of scuttling to and fro without a care in the world. What a curse it is to care.
Poor crabs.
Please help us. Together we can destroy the sisters. First, you must destroy the clampifiers. Their magical resonance boosters which amplify and strengthen the power of their song.
Why do you suppose the crabs couldn't destroy these clampifiers themselves?
Excellent question.
We'd have crushed the clampifiers ourselves, but our claws are more decorative than folks imagine. We weren't ashamed of it until those damn sisters cursed us.
I'm learning so much!
Now that you've destroyed the clampifiers, the sisters won't be able to charm you again. I'll meet you at the land. Why don't you three slither out of that hole you hide in and face us?
Well, if it isn't our pal. Claw, how's consciousness treating you, Squirt? And our champion. We had such high hopes for you. For shame. We'll keep the crab alive to wallow in the pain of his own existence. But you... we're gonna have some fun with you.
Element blast!
Thank you. You are indeed a champion. With the curse lifted, I can feel my consciousness fading.
Now that's some blissful ignorance for you.